In this episode, we'll break down the top 5 most profitable business ideas you can start using your chemical engineering knowledge. Low startup cost. High demand. Real-world impact. Formulate industrial or eco-friendly cleaning chemicals. These are always in demand in hospitals, hotels, factories, and households. You can start from your garage lab and scale big. Use plant-based ingredients to create skincare, serums, or hair care products. People love clean beauty, and margins can be huge. All you need is formulation skill and smart branding. Offer chemical solutions for small-scale or rural water systems. It's a vital service with almost no competition at the local level. Clean water equals recurring contracts. Hydrophobic sprays for cars, phones, shoes, and glass. Easy to make, high resale value. This is chemistry meets lifestyle tech. Source raw materials or lab-grade chemicals and resell to schools, startups, or clinics. You become the link between manufacturers and customers. Low risk, high reward. You don't need millions. You just need your chemical brain, a simple setup, and the courage to start. Each of these ideas can grow into something big, even global. Thumbs up emoji, like this video if it opened your eyes to new possibilities. Outbox emoji, share it with a friend or colleague who's tired of the 9-to-5 lab life. Speech bubble emoji, comment below, which of these would you try first? Don't forget to subscribe. In the next episode, we'll show you step by step how to make your first nano product at home. See you there.